So another question that we get asked is, are we ready for another baby? People have been saying I've been glowing lately.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Welcome back, Island family.
Wagwan, wagwan.
It's your girl Maria.
And the island boy Africa.
And little Island is being annoying as usual, so he's running around the house.
Yeah, man.
And it has been a quick minute. We haven't even checked on you guys. It's almost been, what, 2 weeks, eh, babe?
I don't even know how long, but I know it's been a while.
It's been a while, guys. Yeah. And, well, as a title of the video, as you can see, that's our topic for the day.
Yeah,
well,
various topics.
Various topics.
Yeah,
but we just wanted to quickly check in with you guys and just see, you know, how you are doing. Comment down below. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Subscribe.
Yeah.
All those things.
And welcome.
Welcome, yeah. It's been getting really cold, as you can see. We're all rugged up, you know.
Guys, it's been, the weather, I'm starting to feel the effect of winter coming. And it's crazy to think that winter is coming when other parts of the world winter has already been over or about to be around that. I'm not sure, but yeah, so it's just crazy.
So how are you finding it? 9 months in the country?
Yeah, cool. Well, you mean like my update, or you mean like just the cold?
Everything.
It's been great, you know, ups and downs, but you know, definitely getting to where I want to be, as I mean. So yeah man, but the cold, it's been, because it's been lately we haven't been getting any sun, so
as you can see, pale as a ghost, as usual.
Yeah, been feeling the effect, man, I swear.
Yeah, so we've just been busy with work. So babe's working as well, for all those that are nosy and wanted to know. Well, not nosy, but
I mean,
for those who have good intentions.
Yeah, I didn't really, like, in a sense, care to announce it because you know, we got some comments before and you know what I mean, and I didn't really care about like saying if I got a job now or whatever the case is. But yeah, I've been working, you know, so so that's what's up.
Island,
as you guys know, recently I got my learner's license, and I've been practicing on the road, so
he's getting better, which is good. So the last couple of weeks have been great. I can honestly say that I never knew what it was like to not drive. To be honest, like, I've been driving forever, but you know, it felt really good to see and feel what it feels like to be a passenger for once. So for the last couple of times I've been sort of just chilling, relaxing, and being the DJ, by the way. Island, stop.
Quiet.
You gonna come say hi to everyone? Mom.
Little Bobo here.
Hi, everyone.
Hi. What you have to say? What you have to say? Camera boy, star boy. What you have to say? You gonna wave to them? You gonna kiss them?
Wow!
Say hi.
Island, I want you to say something. Say hi. Hi. My
Say hi to the Island tribe.
Is Island.
Say hi to your tribe. Hi.
And I'm almost 2 years old.
Yeah, and trying to be rich.
So guys, Island was just being annoying as usual, and juggling Island was our next thing. Yeah. He's getting cheekier by the day.
I tell you, as I said before, guys, like half of the things Island do, you guys don't get to see on camera. You understand? So Yeah.
You see the sweet island.
Yeah. You understand?
He's a sweet boy, and he's got full of energy.
Yeah.
So sometimes we're like grandpa, grandma, and grandma, and we feel like we don't have that much energy as he does.
Yeah.
So we have to sort of match up his energy vibe, you know?
Yeah, and sometimes we have to cut the camera and discipline him the right way, because sometimes we might, if we discipline him a certain way on camera or whatever the case is, you know, people have what do you call it? Some people are sensitive to a certain thing, you understand, or whatever the case is, but you know, we discipline our child in our way and we know what we're doing, you understand? So yeah, that's how we see it though. So, yeah.
So we wanted to just touch bases on baby Island's baptism as well. It was great.
Yeah.
We thank you for the family that did attend and came and showed us love and support.
Yeah.
And for everyone's comments, we have read everybody's comments and thank you.
Yeah.
He has definitely, he was a good boy that day.
Yeah.
We didn't have to discipline him or anything, but he was really good. I think he knew that he was like, I don't know, he was doing something good for his life, you know. So so back to Babe's work, because we're kind of like skipping sections here, because Island, you know, Island throws us off sometimes, so sometimes we're going to skip back.
So it worked. That's one of the things where we haven't been posting as much as we used to. If you guys notice, from, you know, we used to post very often, you know, so but because both of us been working, it's so that's one of the main reason and thing like that. And lots of you guys would probably still ask me like what's going on with my health and all that, which I still not gonna disclose any information right now. Because some of, you know, we just have to keep as much of our life private as possible, because you know, people will talk and assume and all of these things. You see it and talk what they don't know. So, you know, whatever you guys know already, just keep it that way. And, you know, we still give some part of our life that we feel like to, and some part you guys won't know. So
definitely,
that's it.
I agree with him. You know, going back to when Babe did talk about his health issues, we didn't think we're going to get the amount of comments that we did get. A lot of positive ones, but there were a lot of negative ones, and we don't feed off negative energy, obviously, but sometimes people say things and, you know, it's like, well, we shouldn't really share our private lives like that, you know? So it's just basically our learning curve, isn't it? Because we're new to this YouTube thing, and I mean, well, we've been doing it for about a year now, but still, maybe more than just a year. But like, you know, we're gonna share what we feel is appropriate. Like, for example, we're not gonna, like Babe said, discipline Island in certain ways in front of the camera, because why? You know, we're gonna get, you know.
People are sensitive.
People are sensitive.
That's it. It's just like that, you know. So that's what it is.
So another question that we get asked is, are we ready for another baby? Are we ready, guys?
That's the big question.
That's the big question. People been saying I've been glowing lately.
And all of that. You know, because even when I just like arrived, people been saying like, you know, baby number 2 now and all that, which sometimes if we follow people, like, literally, what can I say, like, you follow people and then you're not really pleasing yourself, or pleasing, you know, being in comfort of what we, you know, aspire to achieve, or, you understand? So it's, to be honest, we're not ready for that. And that's where we're really at right now. We have so much things that we want to achieve before, and, you know, I personally, on my end, I would say that I want to be more stable too, you know, and that's what I told Babe as well, you know. I see what my people go through as well, you know, me growing up and all that. I see the struggles that they've been through, and I just don't want to be in that same position, you understand? And yes, I'm in a country where there's so much more opportunity, and you know, things are at my fingertips where I can, you know, but I just want to be stable, you know, because at the same time, yeah, babe has a home and all of that, and we're working, but at the same time we still haven't planned or figured out things the right way as yet. So that's where I put it, you know, and we're not ready for that yet.
And so for all those people that are like, oh, have another baby,
yeah,
we're not ready for it.
No, we're
not yet.
Yeah,
Island's still little too, and babe knows my part is I don't want Island to be the only child, as in I don't want him to grow up on his own, and I want him to have a sibling closer to his age, and so he can play with that girl or boy or whatever. But right now it's definitely not in our talks. We're not there yet. So the plan is to travel. We want to travel. Which is another thing. We have something coming up for all of you, and it's going to be really exciting because I've never been there, and neither has babe. We're
flying again, guys. We're flying again. In a couple of days, actually.
2 days, 3 days.
From
something
now.
Like that.
So man, very soon again, guys. You guys will be getting another adventure. So can't wait,
guys. And for those, I'm gonna give them a little hint. For those people that say the weather is very bipolar where we're going, let us know. Because in the comment section, because if it's so, you gotta let us know what to pack, what to bring. I don't know.
And the thing is, we have a subscriber that lives there where we're going, and that person comment very often. Most of you guys would know that person, and it's a female, so you know. So for that particular person, I don't know anyone else that lives there, but there could be others. There could be others,
but we don't know. We just only know the one for now. So comment down below and just an idea of where we could be going. That's bipolar.
I tell you. So flight already booked. Is it booked?
Everything's booked.
So,
and we're not doing rental cars or any of that. We decided we want to walk and train and bus it. It's a bit scary because I've never been there, babe's never been there, so we're sort of like kind of like going in the wilderness. Is it wilderness or wilderness? I don't know.
We're doing it unplanned, you know?
Unplanned.
In a sense. It's planned, but it's unplanned. You know, we are doing it like freelance style, as what your cute say.
Exactly. So stay tuned, guys. Like I said, we're doing more traveling, more travel vlogs coming out your way. And anything else you want to add to that?
I don't even know, but I'm just excited, you know, and
happy Mother's Day to everyone too. All the mums, thank you for all your lovely comments, and you know, we really I really appreciate every single one of you ladies, and thank you very much.
And we'll try to post as often as we can still, you know, but as I said, you know, we try to, you know, balance work and all that, and we'll try to make it work still. We'll
try and make it work for everyone, because I know that we've come a long way, and
man,
you know, we still have to do a sit down talk about our wedding and go through bits and pieces of that, because I know a lot of people wanted to see that video.
That's right.
So that's gonna be funny.
That's a story by itself.
Oh my gosh. And and also, you know, travels to Jamaica, not anytime soon yet.
Not yet, but you know, who knows, might be next year, who knows.
Who knows?
Really all depends on, you know, the situation, but man,
you know, you know, got to get the finances right. The finances. You know.
Man. So. And I almost forgot, guys. I know a lot of you been asking like what's up with the music and thing like that.
Oh yeah,
you know,
I forgot about
I'm just gonna give them a little snippet, but basically guys, there's been a lot going on with my music that I've been keeping you know, and finally I'm out of that, and very soon I'll be announcing what's gonna be happening. But yeah, new music will be coming soon your way.
New song, guys. Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's going to be the best. Well, one of his best songs.
Yeah, this song is gonna be deep. You guys probably don't know how deep I can go with lyrics, but yeah,
it's gonna be deep, guys, yeah, and it's going to be a really good song. Yeah. And I'm sure that everybody has or is experiencing or has experienced what he's talking about.
Yeah, and it's worldwide. This song is, you know, it speaks to everybody on this planet, you know, because everyone can relate to something in it. So yeah. Yep.
So guys, it's a wrap.
Yeah,
we're gonna head to bed soon because it's late.
Yeah, it's actually night, sometime in the night.
Like 9-something p.m. Yeah, I know people are probably gonna think we're like grandpas going to bed so early, but yeah, I gotta get up at 5 in the morning. So yeah, that's life.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So thank you so much, guys, for being in tune with us.
Yeah, man.
You know, we're sending our love and hugs to you all.
Definitely.
I also wanted to say my condolences to this special somebody.
Yeah.
That just received a message from about a day ago.
Yeah.
I just wanted to say my condolences to you, and we're thinking of you, and you're in our prayers.
Yeah,
so
man,
you know
definitely.
who you are.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah. Okay, guys.
My condolences as well, you know.
Before I start crying, because I'm a very emotional human.
Yeah, and the person is one of our tribe member, you know, and the person lost her husband, you know, in Jamaica, you know, so yeah, condolences.
Condolences to you, and big hugs and strength.
Yeah,
so,
man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Blessings always, guys. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay cool.
Definitely.
And stay blessed.
Yeah, so we'll catch you guys in the next one. We don't know if we're gonna post any more videos before we head off to that trip, but if not, we see you guys whenever we about to catch that flight. You understand? So
yeah,
man.
Let's go now.
We on a roll now. Let's go now.
Yeah, guys. Woo!
Catch you soon. Blessings.